Look at who's here with me at Southeast Motorcycle down here in Douglasville, Georgia.
What's up?
Antmanmoto.
What's up? Hey, dating ourselves. What's up?
What's
That's
up?
like from 2002 or something.
I come down here to pick up a motorcycle, and my good buddy Dean, he met me here. Antmanmoto. Everybody look him up if you don't already, which I'm sure most of you have. But we come down here to pick up my new motorcycle. I've still got my RSV4, but I traded the MT-09 SP. So I picked up another Aprilia, and here it is. Woo. Oh, this is a 2024 Tuono V4 Factory SE-09 limited edition.
So beautiful.
Brand new. I think it's got, what, 4 miles on it, I think it's supposed to. It's got the limited edition exceeding SBK-09 number 25.
Number 25 of how many? 100?
2,000, I think.
Oh, is it 2,000?
No, maybe
okay.
2,000 worldwide.
Okay. Yeah.
But I think there's only 100 of them that come to the state, maybe less, no, 70 something to the States.
Yeah. I know I have never seen one on the street yet. So I think you're going to be the one and only guy with this bike when you show up on
It was the only one within 1,000 miles that I could find. Well, 2,000, because the only other one I saw was in California.
Yeah.
So that's 2,000 miles away.
So special, man.
Yeah.
It's just, I couldn't wait to see you pick this up, man. I was like, I couldn't sleep last night. I was that excited. I was like, damn, he's going to get this.
Ant-Man sent me a text. He said, man, it's like Christmas Eve.
Woo! Woo! This is it right here, though. This is why you
check
ride.
out Ant-Man's shirt. Isn't that awesome? I got to get me one of those. See if they make one in Bigfoot size.
Yeah, they hooked me up. They hooked me up here at Southeast Motorcycle in Douglasville.
Let me get a
Motoplex.
Motoplex in Douglasville, Georgia. Southeast Motorcycle.
Motoplex Atlanta.
Motoplex Atlanta.
Yeah.
You got Aprilia, Moto Guzzi, Vespa, Piaggio. They have Ducati here?
No.
No, I didn't think they did.
No. I mean, but they have used bikes.
It's basically
there's a Hypermotor back there for sale right now, but it's used.
It's basically just Piaggio, right?
Piaggio. Yeah. Whenever you see Motoplex, that means it's Piaggio via bikes.
You got your Moto Guzzi here too, didn't you?
Yeah, I got my Guzzi here. I didn't get the factory, Tuono factory here. I got that in another place, but these guys do all the service work on it.
When I have to do valve service, I'm gonna bring it here because they got one mechanic up there in Knoxville. I don't know him.
Yeah, they also have a place in 129 Motorsports in Blairsville. That's
okay. Yes.
That might be an hour closer to you.
Yeah, I saw your video of that place. That's where beautiful place.
Yeah, that's where my bike is right now. So I can't wait till we get it on the Dragon.
Oh man, we gotta put a few goodies on it. Get the race ECU. I guess I could get the other side of it.
Look at those brake ducts.
Yeah, it's got the carbon fiber mud guard and the brake ducts.
Oh, those brake ducts are
they're just
I gotta get those.
Hey, he the coolest guy. Antmanmoto drove, what did you say, 30 minutes, 40 minutes down here just to meet me?
I'm about 30 to 40 minutes from here.
Yeah.
It's an easy drive though. For you, Big E, it was
hey man,
absolutely.
The pleasure and the honor is all mine, buddy. You know that. I'm one of your biggest fans. Literally.
Thank you.
Literally one of your biggest fans.
Like 6'5", all 6'5" inches.
I'm going to change my name to Big Fatty though. I'm getting old and fat.
Man, just keep riding. It'll keep you sweating.
I need to get out and sweat more, but I've been lazy. All right, guys, we'll end it here. Say bye, Ant-Man.
Peace out. Thank you for watching. Just look out for this guy on the Dragon because he'll probably be disappearing on you on this bike.
What about that? Thanks, man. Peace out.